Previous lesson you have learned about maps, and this is our today's topic, that is our country. And my discussion points are today how countries are formed, how countries are marked on a map on the earth, finding countries on a map, and our country and its features. As we all know, countries are made by people and their great leaders. The countries are marked by their borders, and the people living in a country are its population. In this lesson is all about Pakistan, its location, its borders, rivers, and other physical features. And we know Pakistan is situated on the continent of Asia, as you have learned in the previous lesson about 7 continents and 5 oceans. So we are living in Asia. So this is the reason we people are called Asian. And I hope you understand the concept of countries as being separate states, separated by their borders. However, you should emphasize that it is not only land that makes up a state, it is also the people, their language, religion, and culture. Please open your books to page number 18. Let's read a text. Page number 18. And I read for you. Hopefully, you all have opened. All the land on the earth is divided up into countries. Countries are formed by people. Countries are separated from each other by borders. There are 193 countries in the world. Each country has its own language and its own customs. There are many people in the world, more than 7 billion. The people in a country are called its population. Pakistan's population is over 207 million. So in the given paragraph, students, we all know all the land on the earth is divided up into countries. And in the next slide, you will see this planet, this earth is divided into different pieces of land. Yes? Teacher Irfa, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So we are living in Asia. Countries are separated from each other by borders. So in the next slide, you will see it's a world map. And on world map, our country's position, you can see. It's a Pakistan. On world map, our country's position, you can check. And we share borders with Afghanistan, Iran, China, and India. And you see all countries are share borders with the other countries like Iran, Kazakhstan, and Saudi Arabia, Oman. So in this is a political map, and you can see and check the key, and this square red shape is showing their capitals, countries and their capitals. Like our country's capital is Islamabad. Similarly, Japan's capital is Tokyo. Iran, Tehran, and similarly other capitals are written in this paragraph, in this page. Okay, on the map above you can see many different countries in Asia. Our country is called Pakistan. Can you see it on the map above? Okay, you have checked the position of our country on the world map. So world map, if you want to see and if you want to find a place, you can check a map and easily you can find the area and country. Okay, next page, page number 18. I'm going to read for you. Pakistan shares borders with Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. To the south, is the Arabian Sea. Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces. Each province has its own government and capital. Islamabad is the capital of government. Okay, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. It is located in the capital territory. This is where the government of the country has its offices. You can see the capital of all the provinces marked on the map. The territory of Gilgit-Baltistan is administered by the government of Pakistan. Gilgit is its main city. In the north of Pakistan, there are high mountains covered with snow, deep valleys, and thick forest. In the west and to the east, there are deserts. In the south and in the center, the land is much flatter. The great rivers Indus and its smaller rivers flow through this part of the country. The land here is fertile. This means good crops such as wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and rice can be grown. So, students, we share border with Afghanistan, Iran, China, and India. So, in the first 2 lines, it is written, we share border with these countries. And after that, you will study about provinces. How many provinces are there in Pakistan? There are 5 provinces in Pakistan, and in the next slide you will see their capital cities also. And after that, in the northern areas of Pakistan are the very beautiful areas, and mountains covered with snow, and deep valleys, and therefore thick forest. And the west and to the east there are deserts, and it's a beauty, and all these natural features are present in Pakistan, and they enhance the beauty of our country. And second highest peak is K2. K2 is also in Pakistan. Okay, how many countries are there in this world? There are 193 countries in the world. There are 193 countries in the world on this planet. How many countries are there? It's a general knowledge question. So keep in mind, 193 countries are in the world. Okay, neighbors of Pakistan. As I told you, and we have read in on page number 18 about the neighbors of Pakistan. Okay, first one, China, Afghanistan, Iran, India, and Arabian Sea. Where is Arabian Sea? On the south. On the south, Arabian Sea you can see. Okay, we share border with China, Afghanistan, Iran, India. These are our neighboring countries. Okay. How many provinces are there in Pakistan? There are 5 provinces in Pakistan. And on this map, you can see this green area is showing Punjab. This is the area of Punjab. And this dark blue area is showing Sindh, and it is labeled. Okay. In the north, it is Gilgit-Baltistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. There are 5 provinces in Pakistan, and also capital cities are written. Like Gilgit-Baltistan's capital is Gilgit, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar. Punjab's capital city is Lahore, Balochistan, Quetta, and Sindh, Karachi. Okay, so again you can read province and their capital. Balochistan's capital city is Quetta, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar, Punjab, Lahore, Sindh, Karachi, Gilgit-Baltistan, Gilgit. So learn all capital cities of 5 provinces of our country. Okay, did you know the biggest country in the world is Russia? Yes, the biggest country in the world is Russia on this planet, which is the biggest country. That is Russia. Okay, the smallest state in the world is Vatican City. Okay, biggest country is Russia and the smallest state in the world is Vatican City. It is in Europe. Okay. China has the largest population in the world, over 1.3 billion people. Okay, as you can see the Chinese map, China has the largest population in the world, over 1.3 billion people. दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा आबादी किसकी है? Populations mean people of the country. चाइना में सबसे ज्यादा लोग पाए जाते हैं. 1.3 billion people are living in China. China has the largest population in the world, over 1.3 billion people. Okay, now come to our national identity. Okay, our national dress. Our national dress is shalwar kameez, and we feel comfortable in this dress. When we wear shalwar kameez, people know it's our culture. So dress is showing our culture. Okay, we eat different spices and food. So our staple food is chapati, meat, vegetables and rice, and we like this type of food, and food is also showing our culture, what we are eating and what we are presenting to other. And in this world, our spices are very famous and people always like our spices. Okay, our national language is Urdu. Our national language is Urdu. Pakistan's language is Urdu. But in the provinces, people speak Punjabi. In Punjab, people speak Punjabi. In Sindh, Sindhi. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pashto. And in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochi. In Balochistan. Okay, in Punjab, people speak Punjabi, Sindhi in Sindh, Pashto in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochi in Balochistan. But our official language is Urdu and English. Okay, our national flag is green and white and has a white crescent and star. And as you can see, this dark green area is showing majority, because Pakistan is the state where Islam is the state religion. Islam is the state religion and 96% people are Muslims here. And this white area is showing minorities are also living here, like Christians, Hindus, Parsis, all minorities are living here. We have our own national anthem, We stand up straight and sing it with great pride. As we all were singing during the assembly, during morning assembly, our national anthem is Pak Sarzameen. And Pak Sarzameen, who has written, who is the poet and who has written its lyrics? Hafiz Jalandhari wrote the lyrics of national anthem, and it's almost 80 seconds long. Yes, I know you all are familiar, and by heart you all have learned Pak Sarzameen Shad Baat, Kishware Haseen Shad Baat. Okay, our national game is hockey. What is our national game? Our national game is hockey, and mostly you have seen children are playing in street and in parks because it's our national game. But some other games also children and adults are playing, like cricket is very famous among the youngest. Okay, our currency. Pakistani currency is rupee. What is our currency? Our Pakistani currency is rupee. Like in United States of America, they are using dollar, and many other countries they are using their own currency like euro, real, but our country's currency is rupee. So we all people are using rupee, like 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee, 100, 1000, 500. So we all are using currency. What is it? It is rupee. Our country's currency is rupee. Thank you.